Let's make our Python programs interactive. The key, it's the input function. Usually we just assign values right in the code, something like this. But that's pretty static, right? So how can our program get info from a user while it's running? Well, Python has a super handy built-in function for this. It's simply called input. Okay, so how does this thing actually work? It's a really simple four-step process. Let's break it down. Alright, let's try a real-world example. We're going to ask a user for their first name. So we'll create a variable fname and set it equal to our input function. That text in the parentheses, that's the prompt the user sees. And here they type in Omar. Once they hit enter, Omar gets stored in our fname variable. Now let's grab the last name. We're going to do the exact same thing, but this time for a variable we'll call lamb. So the program asks again, and this time the user types in their last name Ali. Awesome. Now the lamb variable is holding Ali. So how do we know it actually worked? I mean, we have the data, but how can we prove it's really stored in our variables? Easy, we can just use the print function to show us what's inside those variables. We just pass the variable names fem and lamb right into the print function like this. There's our output. The program captured and then displayed the user's name perfectly. Okay, this brings us to the most important rule about input function. You have to remember this. No matter what, input always gives you back a string, even if you type a number like 25. So why is this always a string rule such a big deal for your future code? Let me know the answer to this question in comments below.